Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of affordable yet powerful TVs with the Hisense 40-inch FHD VIDAA Smart TV, model 40A4KTUK. This TV promises a fantastic viewing experience without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly smart TV that delivers on quality, stick around. We're about to see if this one's worth your money. Let's start with what makes this TV stand out. The Hisense 40A4KTUK comes with a full HD resolution that's perfect for everyday viewing. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or playing games, the crisp FHD resolution ensures everything looks sharp and detailed. Plus, with a wide color range, the visuals are vibrant and lifelike, making it a solid option for anyone who enjoys a clear and colorful screen. Now, let's talk about the picture quality. This TV features high-contrast displays that really make a difference. The bright areas of the screen are vivid, and the blacks are deep, giving you that extra pop in the image. Whether you're watching an action-packed movie or a dark thriller, the contrast levels are on point, enhancing your viewing experience. But that's not all. The natural color enhancer on this TV is a game-changer. It optimizes color reproduction in real time, so the colors you see are as close to reality as possible. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or watching a nature documentary, the colors are rich and vibrant, just the way they were meant to be seen. And let's not forget the depth enhancer, which adjusts brightness and contrast to add a sense of depth to the picture. It's almost like the images are coming to life, adding a layer of realism that's pretty rare in this price range. One feature that really impressed me is the noise reduction. It's perfect for older content or lower quality streams. The TV analyzes the signal and reduces graininess, leaving you with a clean, crisp image. Experience multi-connectivity with USB, HDMI, mirror screen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and top streaming services like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus with VIDAA OS, gaming, AI sport mode and many more. Alright, now let's break down the pros and cons, based on customer reviews and my own experience. First, the pros. 1. Great picture quality. The FHD resolution, combined with high contrast and natural color enhancer, makes for a vibrant and sharp viewing experience. 2. Effective noise reduction. This feature is excellent for cleaning up older or lower quality content. 3. Affordable price. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this TV. 4. Smart features. The VIDAA OS is easy to navigate and gives you access to all the essential streaming apps. Now the cons. 1. Limited app store. While the VIDAA OS is user-friendly, it's not as extensive as some other platforms like Android TV or Roku. 2. Sound quality. Some users mentioned that the sound is average, and you might want to invest in a soundbar for a better audio experience. 3. Build quality. The build is a bit basic, don't expect premium materials at this price point. So, is the Hisense 40-inch FHD VIDAA Smart TV 40A4KTUK the right choice for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly TV with solid picture quality, decent smart features, and a few handy extras, this model is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for a secondary room or anyone who doesn't want to spend a fortune on a TV but still wants a good viewing experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in grabbing this TV, rated 4.4 by customers, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Purchase link from Amazon in description. See you in the next one.